Hey, assalamualaikum everyone. So welcome back to the Bonk update. And Bonk is doing things that is going to frustrate people. We're still trading quite low at the moment, and yeah, there was a little bit of a break of Bonk as well. We saw, this little bit of resistance here that got broken to the upside, and we might see Bonk actually be interested to move down a little bit and retest 1918. And one little detail that I've actually noticed is that there is a little bit of a demand zone right down here. So what I'm going to do is maybe switch it up to 1 hour time frame and show you a place that looks as if Bonk has been supported for a while, and that's actually something like this right over here. Right now, this is the main area that I think I'm going to pay attention to, because why not? Reason being is this is the same place you touched and moved up. Here you moved up, there you touched it and move up. You kind of make a fake out, retest, it moved up a little bit. So this has offered as a very good influential area, I may say. And then you do have this little bit of support and resistance as well. So I'm just going to drag it like that. And now you have a time until 24 of March, time until tomorrow for a squeeze to happen. So if we end up doing something like this, break above and start to push to the upside, amazing, right? Otherwise, I may be afraid that if you start to lose and if you start to take out 1878, just gonna put in H there. So if you come down and take 1878 and retest and fail, there could be chances of actually coming down to 1368 as your next technical target. So we don't want to lose this place. It's a support area, right? Losing support, don't support the coin anymore. And before we close the video, let's actually tell you about a coin that I'm going to share every day to the new people, because I think some of you want an opinion and an output, because people say that, hey, we want to get a coin that is cheap and has potential to rise as well. And for that, I'm going to give you an educational backup of accumulation as well. So accumulation is when prices are down and big investors, they buy. All right, they buy for a period of time. And what is that period of time? Actually, it's between 1.5 years. Right, 1 year to 1.5 years, they keep accumulating. So this little bit of an information you see is not a 15 minutes time frame. It's actually a 1 year long consolidation known as accumulation. So PayPay had one for a long time before it actually pumped. ICP had one before it actually pumped. The Bonk, the same coin you're watching right now, had a very big accumulation here on MEXC before it actually took off. Dogecoin has one. It actually pushed up. SHIB did the same. So this is the mysterious coin, and it only takes 1 minute for you to know. I'm going to tell you for free. Come down to Discord, click on it, click on announcement, click my name, and message me the word coin. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love you.